Good morning to you. This morning I'm going to show you how to download Microsoft SQL Server Express 2019. I will also show you how to download Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. I'll also be showing how to install Microsoft SQL Server Express 2019. And I'll also be showing how to install Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. If you like this video, please feel free to visit my website and donate towards this Patreon for these videos. So firstly I went to Google and I searched for the SQL Server Express, so it gave me this download link. Okay, as you can see here, it says it's 6.1 megs. Microsoft do have another a link here where you can go and get a few other products. So what I did was I've got both of them, but I'm going to use this one to download the SQL Express. So I'm just going to click on download, and there we go, it's downloaded it. Okay, so if I head over to my downloads folder, you'll see there's a 6 meg file there. Okay, the next thing that I want to get is SQL Server Management Studio, because you use this to be able to access the database. So this is the link for it. I just also did a Google search and used this link as well. It said SQL Server Tools and Connectors, and I chose Download SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so click on this download. That seems to be quite a big file, so I'm going to pause the video while it downloads. Okay, so the download has completed. If we go to our downloads folder, you'll see there's two files here, the SQL Express and the SQL Management Studio. So I'm going to proceed to install the SQL Express edition first. I'm going to choose a basic SQL installation. You can read through the terms and conditions of this SQL license. I'm going to choose I accept. I'm happy to leave it in this default program, although not really, no. I'm going to actually change it. I'm going to put it into on my C drive. I want to create a new folder. I'm just going to call it MS SQL EXP for Express, and that's where I want it to install. So now it will proceed to download all the required files that it needs to get it up and running. It has finished downloading and now is starting to install. Okay, the next options here come up and show that this is the connection string, the location of the log file, and yeah, where the installation folder is. So I'm happy to leave these as they are. At least I'm going to copy them and save them in a text file so that we know where they are. I'm going to attempt this option of install Ssms. As you can see, it'll take me to the studio management. So I'm just going to close this one down. Yes, and then I'm going to set up my SQL Studio Manager. As you can see, this is the screen that comes up. I'm happy to leave the SQL Server Management Studio in its default location. So I'm just going to click on install. Okay, as you can see, the setup is now complete. I'm going to click on close, and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope it's been helpful and useful. Goodbye.